I am Rakesh Shukla of your chemistry teacher. Today I am explaining the chapter 1 matter. What is matter? Matter, anything that has mass and occupy space is called matter. And every substance is made from the smallest particle that is also called the matter. State of matter. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Solid, which have the definite shape and volume. Liquid, which have definite volume but do not have definite shape. Gas, neither definite volume nor definite shape. Next, kinetic molecular theory. The main postulates of this theory are: first, all states of matter are made up of atoms or molecules. Second, the space between two molecules or atoms is called intermolecular space. Third, the particles of matter are attracted towards each other due to force of attraction. Fourth, the particles of matter are in continuous motion and possess kinetic energy. Fifth, the kinetic energy increases or decreases by increasing or decreasing temperature and pressure. Next topic is existence of three states of matter according to the intermolecular space and strength of intermolecular force. Solid, by figure you are observing that here the molecules are closely packed. Intermolecular force, due to the intermolecular force of attraction, intermolecular space is less. The molecules or atoms are closely packed. Intermolecular force is strong between two molecules or atoms. Intermolecular space is least. Kinetic energy is also least, but kinetic energy can be increased by giving temperature. That is why the solid have fixed shape and volume. Liquids, you can see the figure here. The molecules are apart and the force of attraction is less as compared to the solid, and intermolecular space is more. And kinetic energy is more as compared to solids. So due to weak force of attraction, the molecules position are not fixed. That is why the liquids do not have fixed shape but have fixed volume. Liquids show the property of fluidity. Fluidity means the liquid can flow from the higher level to the lower level. That is called the fluidity. Gases, by observing figure, you know that here the intermolecular space is much more and intermolecular force is least. So in gases, the molecules or atoms are much apart from one another. The intermolecular space is much more and the force of attraction is negligible and the kinetic energy is much more. The particles are free to move randomly due to the maximum amount of space and least force of attraction are negligible. Gases can compress very easily. Next topic is effect of temperature on changing of state of matter. Means here to change the state of matter means from one state to another, temperature plays important role. So we can say that by increasing or decreasing the temperature, we can change the state of matter. For example, to convert ice into water, we have to increase the temperature. Here, by increasing the temperature, the kinetic energy increases, which is responsible for motion of molecules. Hence, the state is changed. Same as to convert water into water vapor, we have to increase the temperature. Another, to convert water vapor back into water, we have to lower the temperature. By lowering the temperature, molecules come closer to each other, kinetic energy decreases, which is responsible for changing of state of matter. Same as water can be converted into ice by lowering the temperature. Next topic is terms related to interconversion of state of matter. So first point is melting. Melting is the process of changing a solid into liquid on heating. Means when heating the solid change into liquid, that process is known as the melting. Melting point, the point on which a solid change into liquid is called the melting point. Next, boiling. The phenomenon of a liquid changing into a gas. Means when the liquid change into gas, this phenomenon at a particular temperature, this phenomenon is known as boiling. Boiling point, the point on which a liquid change into a gas is called boiling point. Thank you.